putting the air fryer to good use. I prepare a dish I have not had in over 30 years. Italian pork skewers.
Hey, welcome to the channel, everybody. I'm Mike the Stew Burner. I'm a retired Navy cook doing the thing I love to do the most, and that's cook. What are we doing today? We're back in the air fryer, and we're doing something that, man, I haven't had in many years. We're probably talking about at least 25 years. This is something that I had back in Sicily, back in the mid-90s. So that's been how long it's been. And this was served at a medieval festival that this little town in Sicily would have every year. And they had this nice little courtyard out back of the castle, serving all these peasant foods, roasted garbanzos, and a host of other things. Fresh homemade pasta. But the thing that I really loved was the roasted pork on a skewer. Spiedini di maiale, basically pork on a skewer, and it's very simple to make. Okay, so let's just dig right into it. Let me tell you what I've got here. I've got 1.5 pounds of pork, very tender pork. This is the pork that I get from a local grocery that I'm always talking about. You know, it's got great marbling in it. It's always just super tender. You could basically cut it with a butter knife. We got some little olive oil. So what we're gonna do, kind of get back and getting ahead of myself. So I've got the pork. I've already diced it up into 1-inch cubes. I'm going to make a marinade. The marinade is basically just some olive oil, some minced garlic, a little bit of balsamic vinegar, white balsamic vinegar, some salt and pepper, and some rosemary. And I have about 2 sprigs of rosemary over here that I've chopped up. And that's it. We're going to make this marinade. We're going to go ahead and get it over our pork cubes over here. I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Let it marinate. You could marinate this overnight. You don't need to. And then what we're going to do is going to go ahead and get them on our little sticks that I've got soaking in water right now. And then we'll get it into the air fryer. It's that easy. Okay, so let's get started here. So I'm going to go in with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil here. Extra virgin olive oil. There we go. I'm going to go in with about a good teaspoon of minced garlic. Then I'm going to go in with a teaspoon of this white balsamic vinegar. The sweetness of this is going to really make this caramelize really nicely. All right, maybe that's 2 teaspoons. All righty. A little salt and pepper. There we go. And I'm going to go in with about a teaspoon of, well, 2 teaspoons of the rosemary here. Give this a nice mix. Get it over our pork. Go ahead and give it a nice little stir here. Get all that pork nice and covered. That's it. In the fridge, 30 minutes. We'll come back. We'll get this skewered up, and then we'll get it in the air fryer. Well, we be back. Been 30 minutes. It's smelling really good. It's going to smell even better once we get done cooking it. I'm going to go ahead and preheat the air fryer. I have it set for 395, and I have it set for 17 minutes. So what I'm going to do is let it preheat for 3 minutes, and then it'll take us about 14 minutes total cooking time. All right, so let's get this on. That's going to heat up. I'm going to go ahead and start skewering some of this pork up. And it's very simple. Get your skewer, get your pork on there, and that's it. I remember when I was in Naples, every once in a while, about probably once a week, we would go to the Carabinieri mess. I actually worked at the troop mess on base, but the Carabinieris had their own mess, and they had spiedini di pollo, chicken skewers. And oh my God, they were to die for. We would go there they had the best fish. It was just different. You know, it was an Italian mess. It wasn't an American mess. You know, we worked in our galley. It was nice to get out and try somebody else's cuisine. And they would come into our galley. That was really cool. Great people. Okay, so we got about 35 seconds left, and then we'll be all heated up. I have 4 skewers here. 2 of them I was able to get 6 pieces on. The other 2 I got 5. It works out. This is enough to feed 4 people. Each person gets a skewer, and there we go. All right, we're right there, 14 minutes. I don't need to spray this. There's plenty of oil on here, and this pork is well marbled, so it's got some a little fat inside of it as well. So here we go. So we're just gonna lay these down. Give you a little look-see there. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and check these at about the 7-minute mark. Probably give them a turn. And I'll probably go ahead and give them a basting with the marinade that I have left over here. So we'll be back in about a second your time and 7 minutes my time. All right, we're 7 minutes in, and they're browning up fairly decently. Not as much as I want them to. I think I'm gonna let them go for about another 2 minutes, get them a little bit more browner, and then we'll give them a turn. Now, because these weren't browning as fast as I like them to, I went ahead and hit it with 5 more degrees. So we bumped it up to 400, and I added an additional minute to my cooking time here. So we'll see how this pans out. And in the end, we'll factor in the time that we added. And then you'll know what I know, because this is my first time making these spiedinis in an air fryer. Normally these would go on a grill. I had to use the air fryer, right? Got to try something else out. All right, so we have about 5.5 minutes remaining, and they are browning up very nicely now. So I'm just going to go ahead and give these a little quick turn. And the remaining 5 minutes, the other side should be nice and brown. Let me show you what we got so far here. Look at that. Haha, looking good. All right. And we also want to go ahead and take some of this marinade, give it one more basting here for its final. Alrighty. In it goes. 5 more minutes. We'll be back here. All right. We're coming down to our last 2 minutes here. I think we're going to be good. And it's smelling fantastic in here. And I wish you could smell what I'm smelling right now. Your mouth would definitely be watering. I'm just having all these visions of being back in Sicily and Rondazzo and Lingualosa and Mota. And what a time I had. Need to get back. I'll be back soon, guys. Trust me. I'll be back. I'm going to give this a little check. We still got about 1 minute and 15 seconds. Looking good through the window. I think we're good. Let's pull them. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that, but does that not look good? Let me go ahead and tempt these. Oh, yeah. I got 154. So that is done. Not the old days where I had to be 170, 171, something like that. And it's not too undercooked. All right, they are looking good. We're calling it. It looks like we grilled these. It really does. Get these on the plate nicely. There you have it. Check those beauties out. And again, you saw just how easy it was to prepare. All right, I'm going to take this piece right off the end here. And I just slid right off the skewer. And let me cut into this baby here. And I'm going to give this a try. Knife just went through that like butter. Chin chin, right? You got to make this. You've got to make it. You saw how easy it was. There's not a lot of ingredients. If you got an air fryer, go for it. They cook perfectly in the air fryer. If you want to cook them out on a grill, go ahead and cook them out on a grill. They are absolutely fantastic. I am back in Sicily right now, and I can't be any happier than I am right now that these came out as perfect as they are. So hey, there you have it. Winner, winner, pork skewer dinner, or what we got, spaghetti di miele. And you got to try it. Hey, so until next time, thanks, and we'll see you.